This is going to be a quick unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. This is one of 4 iPhones in Apple's iPhone 12 series lineup for this year. This is the 12 Pro. This is actually the 512 gig version in Pacific Blue. It also comes in other colors and other storage capacities. So here's the phone itself. It has a 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR OLED display powered by the A14 Bionic chip with a 5G modem in it. All the iPhone 12 models this year have 5G in it. It'll just depend on which carrier you're with, whether they have a 5G network or not. As you can see on the back, you have a triple camera lens setup and a LiDAR sensor. Each of these are 12 megapixels, one ultra wide, one wide, one telephoto. What's nice about the 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max is that they can actually shoot 4K video in Dolby Vision at 60 frames per second. So you can shoot kind of like cinematic video, cinematic quality video from your iPhone. As you can see here, here's the vibrate and the switch, volume buttons, and the lightning port, and then power button, and then that's where the SIM tray is. So put that off to the side for now. Also inside the box you get a manual and a quick start guide and that type of stuff, and then also a USB-C to lightning cable. What's new for this year is the iPhone 12 models don't come with a power brick, so you'll just come with a cable and you have to supply your own brick. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue. It's available now.